by the title, you can see I'm doing my October Birchbox. I missed September. I'm sorry about that. Like, I honestly have just been so busy lately, I really haven't had time to film anything. So I'm not going to do a video for September because we're already in the middle of October. So if you head over to my Instagram account at KatieShelton19, it'll be linked in the description. You can see what I got in that box. And I just want to show you though, they sent this like adorable little bag. So it's like a little makeup bag. So that's super cute, and that's from September. But yeah, if you want to see what was actually in the box, then you can head on over to Instagram. But I am going to show you guys what I got in October. So October has this like adorable little box with like cute little designs and stuff. Of course it's like orange and black for Halloween. So then they have a trick or treat thing, and it says the treatment step is the most personal part of your skincare routine because there are endless combinations to target your skin's needs. It's like creating your own personal magic potion. This chart breaks down the different formulas, how to layer them, and why you might choose them. So basically, this just has like a bunch of different things on it and explains what they are and why you should use them. And then on the back, it's just got the items that I received. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. I'm actually quite excited about a few of these. So the first one in here that I'm excited about is the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray by This Works. The full size is $29, and it says, clinically proven to aid a good night's rest. This calming infusion of lavender and chamomile helps you fall asleep faster. Just spray on your pillow right before bed. So basically, you just spray this on your pillow and take a few deep breaths. It smells interesting. I'm going to test it out and see how it works. We'll see if I fall asleep faster, and I will let you guys know. Not sure if I like the smell or not, to be honest, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. The next thing that I have in here is the Juara Coconut Lippy Hand and Nail Balm. I don't know if I said that right, but the full size is $20. This fast absorbing moisture balm hydrates, firms, and plumps hands and treats nails and cuticles. So yeah, basically it's just like a lotion. So that'll be cool to try out. I will let you guys know what I think of that one. The next thing in here are the Wilma Schumann Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. The full size is $18. Our go-to routine for these babies: stick them in the fridge for 10 minutes and apply one beneath each eye, and then relax for 20 minutes for hydrated and depuffed under eyes. So I get super puffy and dark circles, so I definitely am going to try these out and see how they do. I'm hoping that they'll help me with that. If they do, I will definitely let you guys know if I like them or not. Next up, I have the Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. The full size is $105 to $158, so this one is definitely kind of pricey. This best-selling potent serum exfoliates away dead skin cells, plumps fine lines, evens out hyperpigmentation, and boosts your glow. It says apply a thin layer over clean skin and follow with a moisturizer and an SPF. Start with twice a week and work up to daily. So I'm not sure how large the full size is. This is, for comparison to my hand, about this big for the sample. And I'm going to imagine that this would last me maybe a month or so, because you only need a little bit. But this could get super expensive, so I'll let you guys know what I think. I can tell you now I probably won't buy this in full size, just because it's so expensive. But I will let you guys know what I think. The next thing in here that I'm excited about are the Hum Nutrition Daily Cleanse Supplements. The full size is $25. This 100% natural supplement detoxifies and cleanses your liver, bowel, kidneys, lungs, and skin with ingredients like chlorella algae, beetroot, and milk thistle, to name a few. Take 2 capsules daily for best results. Consume them between meals. So basically, these are just supposed to make your skin and things like that look healthier, I guess. So I'm excited to try this. I'll let you guys know. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to tell for 3 days, because it's enough in here for 3 days, I believe. But it'll be cool to just try it out and see what I think of it, because I'm all for supplements and stuff. I take multivitamins every day, so we'll let you guys know. The last thing in here is the Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm for Lips. The full size is $14.50. This multi-purpose natural formula works to rehydrate skin and lips, soothe sunburns, tame unruly brows, and nourish thirsty cuticles. So this is just another one of the all-in-one moisturizers. It's very thick and hard to squeeze out, but it's basically just a super thick balm that you can put on. I'm not sure, like, it does seem moisturizing, but it's also like very thick. So I'll let you guys know what I think of it as I try it, because I don't really like thick things that don't like dry down well. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that was everything that I got in my October box. I'll be doing reviews on all of it on my blog as per usual. I'll get to them as I manage to test them out. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!